Alright, right now we are adding acrylate chloride in 5 mils of DCM dropwise to our solution, and we are almost done. And that's it. A couple more drops, I guess, remaining, but that is it. Our solution went from completely translucent to partially translucent, slightly cloudy. We got the stir bar going, and we're gonna have the stir bar going overnight. So there you have it. Making more polyethylene glycol gel out of polyethylene glycol. But you have to functionalize the end groups so that it can cross-link, and so that's what we've done here under a nitrogen bath, so there's no smoking and reaction with water and making hydrogen chloride gas. So yeah, another fun day with me here in the lab. There's Pavan, my co-worker, right there. Say hi, Pavan. I guess he's not listening, he's got his headphones on, but we are here, and yeah, stay tuned to the channel. We got more coming up. Next we're gonna make some gels. See y'all soon.